What's up, chads, and welcome to today's video. So today I want to talk to you guys about a project called StarkDefi. Now StarkDefi are an up-and-coming project that are going to be on the StarkNet Layer 2 blockchain. Now, as these guys are very early on in the roadmap, prepare themselves for when the testnet is up and running. These guys have decided to start a Questboard with Q3 or Q cubed, I'm not really sure how it's pronounced, but anyway, they've started a Questboard on there, and basically they've invited all the community over in Discord to participate in this. And then what you have to do is you have to complete the different quests. At the end of the week, you will be attributed one of the roles if you complete all the quests, and this is going to be running for a 10-week duration. Each tasks are going to last for 2 weeks, so there will be 5 roles in total, starting from level 1 to 5. And if you do complete all the tasks and get to level 5, you will be eligible to be one of the first people to be testing their testnet upon its launch. Now, you are somebody who's interested in Layer 2 projects, and this is definitely going to be interesting for you. So what you're going to have to do, the first thing obviously is you need to be part of their community, so you need to join their Discord. I've got a link to that in the description of this video. And once you're in there and you are verified, then if you want to go into the announcement section, and you're going to see, probably, obviously depends when you're watching this video, but you're going to have to scroll through and find their announcement where they announce the start of their Questboard, and there's going to be a link to that there. I'm actually going to put that link in the description of the video as well, maybe a little bit easier for you guys. And you want to go ahead and click that, and you will come up with this page here. Now, if you've never used Crew Free before, you are going to go ahead and need to create a profile. Once you do click onto that, it will invite you to create a profile, and then from there, I think automatically it will ask you to connect to your Discord, your Twitter, and your ArgentX wallet address, I think. But if it doesn't, then all you need to do is up in the top right, which actually you can't see very much on this screen. On the top right here, you're going to want to click on it. You want to go ahead to My Profile, and then when you go on there, it will give you the option to connect your Discord, your Twitter, and your wallet address, because you are going to need those things connected for certain quests. So once you've done that, you want to go ahead and go down to quests. As you can see here, it says no quests to do right now, because I've already completed my quest. As you can see here, I'm already up to level 2. And all the quests will appear here, and you just need to go ahead and click on them one by one. You will read what you have to do for each individual quest, and you just want to go ahead and follow that. And then once it's done, you want to click OK. And then move on to the next one. And once all the quests are completed, some of them will need to be reviewed, some of them not. You want to go up here to the notification button, and when your quest is completed or it has been accepted after the review, it will come up here as a tick, and you will be attributed the points. And then once you've completed all that week's tasks, you will be given the Citizens Level 1 role, which is what you're going to get for this week's task. Then obviously in 2 weeks' time, there'll be a new bunch of quests to do, which will then qualify you to get the next role after that, and so on and so forth. So it's something that's going to go on for 10 weeks. But if you do want to be one of the first people to, be able to test out StarkDefi's testnet, then you're going to want to make sure that you participate within the next 2 weeks and get yourself that first level 1 role. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. I might do some more videos in the coming weeks once the new quests are out and stuff like that. Do another little guide to show you guys how to do the next quests. And yeah, so thanks for listening as always, guys. Until next time, bye.